Hello guys, I hope you're fine. In this video we are going to see how to convert a Python file to an exe file so you can run it in another computer even if it doesn't have Python or require packages installed. Okay, so let's get started. To convert a Python file to a binary executable file, we need to install Pyinstaller first. And to do that, you can open a command prompt. And when you have it open, you can type pip install Pyinstaller and hit enter. So as you can see, it says it is installed successfully. We can also check it by typing Pyinstaller -v. So if you got the version of Pyinstaller, it means it is installed correctly. Now we have Pyinstaller installed. We can see which options it can take by typing Pyinstaller -help. So it will display all the options. I'm not going over all of them, so you can do it in your own, but I will explain some of them which we are going to use in this video. The two first ones that we already used are -h or -help and -v or -version, so you know what they do. The next one is capital F or -1 file, and what it does is actually it packages the Python file and its requirement in a single executable file. If you don't want a console pops up or will be displayed when you run your program, there's an option for that as well, and it's -w or -window or -no console. They three are all same, so you can use either one. The last option that we are going to look at is -i or -icon. It applies the icon you choose to your final file. Now we know this option. Let's look at them in a practice. I have my Python file here in this folder, so I just open it. Text editor main. This is the file that I'm going to convert. But first, I will change the directory to the same directory as the Python file. So cd desktop, then Python file folder. Okay, now we are in the same folder. All I have to do is to type Pyinstaller and then select the option I want. So -1 file, because I want just one executable file and not a bunch of other files. And then -no console, because I don't want any console will be displayed. And I also want to set an icon to my exe file, so it will be --icon, and I have to give the path of the icon file. So in this case, logo.ico, this is the icon that I want to use. So I just write it, logo.ico. And finally, I have to give it the Python file that I want to convert. So in this case, it will be text editor main.py, and then press enter. It can take some time, so I will pause the video. It's completed now, so you can close the command prompt. I think you already noticed that there are some new folders and files created. You can delete the build folder, and you can delete the ASPAC file as well. You don't need them. The only folder you need is a dist folder, so you can open it, and there you will see your exe file. If your file doesn't have any dependencies like images or text files or database, so you can run it here. Otherwise, you have to move it to the same folder as your Python file, and there you can run it without any problem. Okay guys, that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did it, make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section below and I will try to answer them. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.